Hi everyone, here we've got Nokia 3.4 and let me share with you how to activate the auto system updates on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now we have to activate the developer options, because as you can see here we cannot see the developer options. So let's tap on About Phone. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom, and now let's keep tapping on the build number until you'll see that you're in a developer mode, just like here. As you can see, you have to confirm it also with the pattern or PIN or password or whatever you have to. So let's tap on the system, let's enter the advanced, and here we've got the developer options, so let's enter. And all we have to do right now is simply find the system UI automatic system updates, which are right above the one I just told you. So in order to activate that, just tap on the switcher right here, and from now on, since it is active, your device will apply updates when it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want just by tapping on this button on the switcher again, but let me leave it like this. So actually that's all. This is how to activate auto system updates in your Nokia 3.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.